Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome to a video which I might never post it. I just came from my dentist. I had a dental surgery. There was a thing I needed to do for my dental surgery. It's a 2-day surgery. So today they did something, and tomorrow also they're gonna do it. So I really can't talk a lot, but I received this package. I'm I'm assuming this is a Sony A7S III camera with the lens in it, and if it is, I didn't want it to just open it because I want to capture this emotions and experience, not for anybody to see. I don't even know if I'll ever post this. The only reason I want to do this is because this is my first ever expensive camera. The camera itself costed me $3,500. The lens costed me $2,000, so it's roughly $5,500 plus taxes was around $300 plus insurance. Everything roughly costed me, with the memory card and everything, costed me $6,700. So $7,000 spent on just a camera gear, and I don't make a lot of money on YouTube, but this is a dream. It's an investment into myself. I'm gifting this early Christmas present to myself. Again, I like to think it like I'm investing in my dream, something that makes me happy. My hobbies are expensive, so hopefully, something I'll learn. As you all know, that I'm learning filmmaking professionally. So I just want to really capture my experience and emotions right now, so I can see it later, or I can see it when I want to give up, and I can see why I bought this, how I felt at that time. This is the receipt. So the total cost is $6,779. It's a lot of money. Okay, this is it. Sony A7S III. I'm gonna unbox this later on with a proper unboxing thing. Spent a lot of money on this thing. There's also a lens I got. 2000. This lens is $2,000 lens. I think $2,100 lens. It's 16 to 35 mm, 2.8 aperture. Man, this is the feeling to see this is amazing. I don't even know how to describe the feeling in words, because sometimes you work so hard to get something, and this is that feeling. Like, I've been working hard and making videos, and I've worked so hard in life, and this is like my first ever super expensive purchase. I mean, I have house, obviously that's an expensive, but it's more like I need it, right? Like I need to live in the house. Car, I need the car to go around. This is something I never needed it. I could have done my job with the camera, but I want to invest in myself. I want to grow. I want to, I want this. So it's not a need. I want this, and I worked hard so that I can pay for this. So that's the feeling, super, super, super excited. Let me know if you guys would like to see more of unboxing stuff, because I do buy a lot of like unboxing, like the light which you see right here, the light behind me, all this stuff which I buy slowly. I never thought of unboxing it, but now that I know that people are interested in seeing unboxing, so if you're interested in unboxing, just comment and let us know. Let me know, and I'll make more unboxing videos. What's up, everyone? Time to unbox this A7S III camera. For people who don't know, it's one of the most expensive camera and one of the most recommended camera for filmmaking gear. And as some of you know, that I'm getting into filmmaking, so I wanted to invest into it. And like I said, that this is the total purchase is $6,700, $6,800. Also got something new, so I'm gonna unbox that as well. I think it's a memory card. It requires a special memory card, so let's just start unboxing it. Okay, a lot of documentation, so I guess I can skip this part, move that aside. There is a USB-C to USB cable. I don't know what is that for. And this is a mount. Not sure what is this for. Strap, which I don't think I will ever use it because I vlog and I always have my camera on it. What is in this? Charger, very nice. Very similar to Canon charger, and I know the battery is also nicer one, longer battery, so nice. And I guess a cable for the charger, so that goes there. And this is where this whole thing is. Ooh, move this aside. And wow, oh my god, wow, it's so tiny, like it's super tiny. I like the way it feels, super nice. And this one has the flip screen. I think Sony users were complaining that it doesn't have the flip screen, so it finally does have the flip screen. Doesn't have the lens. I'm gonna put the lens. Also, I don't think, where's the battery? Oops. Oh, the battery was hidden. Okay. All right, let's try to put this battery in. Okay. I just can't express how happy I am. It's like so tiny, it's very lightweight. I can't wait to see how much will it weigh when I put the lens on it, and then see the quality. I need to charge this, so I'm gonna charge this, but meanwhile I'm gonna unbox the lens right here. And again, I'm a Canon user. I have Canon 80D right now, but this is Sony. I've never used Sony, so I have to get used to the Sony system. Two most common lenses which people use, one is 16 to 35 and the other one is 24 to 70 millimeter. 2.8 is the clarity and the aperture of it. I think Mumbaikar Nikhil uses 12 to 24, but that was too expensive, and I'm hoping that 16 millimeter is going to be wide enough, because it's a full frame camera. It should have a bigger, like wider. My current Canon 80D is a crop sensor, so so if it is 10 millimeter, it crops into and makes it 16 millimeter. So I'm assuming that 16 is gonna be okay on the full frame camera. We don't know. Let's open this thing. Nice. So that's the lens, and that's all the documentation. I'm gonna keep it right here. Move that. That's the lens. I like that it comes with a nice pouch. Oh wow. Cool. There we go. There's still more stuff in it. There's a strap, I guess, and there's a hood. I don't know if I need this. This is a protector. Maybe. We'll see. I guess I can remove this. Cool. Alright, here's the lens. Nice. It's not too bad. I mean, oh wow, yeah, it is heavy, but it's nice. You can feel the quality. Wow, look at that. So cool. Look at this. It's 35 to 16. So that's what it will be when I'm vlogging. I'll probably vlog on the 16. And this, if I add this on the top, that's locked. So that's what it looks like. So it's definitely big and heavy, but the camera is small, so maybe it will compensate. It's still the whole setup is gonna be heavy. We will see how it looks overall when I put it on the camera. That's the full frame sensor and it's mirrorless camera. So super excited. Whoa. Wow, this this is big. Oh my god, look at that. I don't know how I'm gonna vlog with this. Like this is giant, this is massive. Excited to see the quality. Obviously I have to charge the battery and we will start unboxing this thing. Okay, so that's the memory card I was talking about. So this can record 4K 120 frames per second. That's the memory card reader, because this is not the normal one. So this comes with a memory card reader, so I have to put it in this. Let's quickly unbox this thing. It's tiny. 160 gigs. Let's see. Also, this is like a dual memory card slot, and there's a HDMI. So now I can plug my HDMI to directly to my MacBook, and I can, have zoom quality way better. I can also have the charging directly to this, so it can charge directly to the camera. That's the headphone jack. It is not like just this, it goes like that and then you open like that. And you can see there's like 2 memory card slots, so it can go both, but I'm only gonna have one because this memory card itself was like $400. Yes. We have everything to go. Obviously I haven't set the picture profile or anything. I'm just gonna go with whatever profile it has right now. I don't know how it's gonna look, but the next footage which you see is gonna be from Sony a7S III. Ready? 1, 2, 3. This is the footage from Sony a7S III. Like I said, I haven't done any kind of changes in the camera settings, like profile settings. Right now I'm shooting manual. I'm not shooting auto. Still figuring out what settings to choose, what picture profile to use, and all of that. There's a lot of things in Sony's menu. I'm so used to shooting from Canon because I know everything, where it is, where is my ISO, where is my aperture, everything. But in this case, I don't know. But let me know. Do you see any difference? From the tiny screen which I can see, looks good, but again I have to put it in the editing software, see what I can do with it. I'm gonna be filming a vlog today. We are leaving in an hour. I'm excited to see tonight's vlog, and the setup is very heavy. Like I tried it, it's very heavy, so I'm not even sure how it's gonna go, but I'm excited to see the lights and Christmas light and how this camera is gonna cover all of that. Anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, keep smiling and keep hustling. Gotta hustle every single day. I'm recording from my iPhone, so this is what the Canon 80D setup looks like, and this is what the Sony setup looks like. Like I said, this one is heavier than this one because the overall weight is less, because the camera and the lens is heavy on this thing.